Hello, my name is Jones Chan. This is my first poem of my life. The title is it a bird? Is it a plane? Stubborn fellow, hanging on the wall, so obvious, but no one has an eye on him. No one cares about to ask, how are you today? Inquire about the state of his health. But once every lifetime, we may need his help. He will be a big hero. He will fight for the safety of my family, like Christopher Reeve saving Louis Lane from a burning helicopter. I hope that he will not play a substantial role in my entire life. But I know if I needed him, his X-ray eyes would shoot down any menace. I feel safe as he hangs in the shadow. My fire extinguisher hiding behind my kitchen door.